If your 2001 Chevy Silverado has a persistent misfire, replacing the ignition coil is a straightforward DIY task. Before you grab your tools, confirm that it is actually the coil causing your engine performance issues. Safety comes first, so disconnect the negative battery terminal and clear the engine cover to reach the coil packs. Watch for rough idle specific misfire codes on your OBD-I scanner or a sudden lack of acceleration. You will need a basic socket set, some dielectric grease for the connections, and your new ignition coil. Replacing this yourself saves significant labor costs compared to a dealership visit, and it is a great way to learn your truck. The parts are relatively affordable, but labor costs can quickly add up if you take it to a professional. Always apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the coil boot to ensure a great connection and prevent moisture buildup. Once the new coil is bolted down, reconnect the battery and clear your trouble codes to get back on the road.